Jan Schwartz with New Lenox Public Library, and today we are going to make a bird bath planter. This was a lovely bird bath, however this year when I went to fill it up, the water drained right out of it. So there's cracks on the bottom, but it's still stable enough to be a great planter. And this will make a beautiful one, something a little different, but fun. So we're going to start by filling it up with some really good potting soil. Okay. And we are going to add this absolutely gorgeous begonia. Now begonias prefer shade. So right now where it's at, it's got some afternoon sun, but this is a pretty good shaded area. It's going to do very well here. So we're going to gently put our potting soil around it. We don't want to plant it deep. We don't want to add soil above the planting line. It should be exactly the way it was as far as the surface. So you want to be, the plant should be even, the soil should be even with the plant. Don't make it deeper. We need to add more soil. We're also going to add this petunia. This is a wave petunia. It's actually purple with white speckles, and it will end up going right over the edge of the planter, so it's going to look really cute. And found this little plastic bunny out in the garden. It had been out there all winter, but he does just fine, and he's going to be our addition to the planter. Then we're going to water it. Don't forget to water. Now you're going to have to water this every day, and in the hot weather you might have to water it twice a day because it does drain well. However, it's just adorable, and you're going to want to take good care of it because it's too cute. You have a great day. Hi, this is Jan Schwartz with New Lenox Public Library, and today we're looking around the garden for some inventive things to put our flowers in. And I just happen to have a tree trunk piece that is rotted out. And what we did was we took out all the old hollow dead wood and hollowed that part of it out. We filled it up with some potting soil, and we are about to plant a Gerber daisy in this. So we're going to loosen up a bit of the roots so it can expand right into that tree trunk. And actually through all those cracks and crevices in it, it'll probably do beautifully. And we'll pick our dirt around it. There we go. And we're going to give it some water. And you've got a really cute little plant right there, growing unexpectedly out of the tree trunk.